Hey, I know your time is valuable, so let's cut the fluff. This isn't another motivational rant or overhyped promise. It's a no BS guide to the habits that might be sabotaging your appearance. Let's get into it. Habit number 1, believing you're ugly. Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, I'm just ugly and there's nothing I can do about it? That mindset is your biggest enemy. Here's the truth. No one is truly ugly, but you'll feel unattractive if you're not disciplined enough to build the habits that enhance your appearance. Think about it. If you eat junk food daily, stay up all night scrolling on your phone, and skip exercising, do you really expect to feel or look your best? Of course not. Instead of saying I'm ugly, reframe it to, I haven't developed the discipline to become my best self yet. When you stop blaming your looks and focus on improving your habits, you'll start to see real change. It's not about perfection. It's about showing up for yourself consistently. Habit number 2, not getting enough sun. You've heard it before, sunlight equals vitamin D. But it's more than that. Sunlight boosts your mood, resets your body clock, improves your sleep. Here's how I built the habit. I started walking 15K steps a day. It changed everything. Walking clears your mind, keeps you lean, and even helps you connect with people. Actionable step. After this video, go for a 5-minute walk. No phone, just you and your thoughts. Trust me, you'll feel amazing. Habit number 3, eating a poor diet. Think of your body like a car. Would you put water in a gas tank? No? Then why fill your body with sugar and processed foods? Here's what happens when you do. You feel sluggish. You break out. You age faster. I'm not saying never eat junk food. I cheat maybe 5 to 10 times a year on special occasions like family trips. But here's a rule. Never eat junk out of boredom. That's how I used to spiral, eating chips in bed while binge watching shows. And guess what? I woke up groggy and miserable every single time. Habit number 4, being rude or distracted. Want to look better instantly? Start being polite. Smile. Compliment someone's shoes. And for the love of all that's good, stop checking your phone mid-conversation. I used to do this all the time, even when my mom was talking to me. The woman who gave me life, and I was worried about a text from some random girl. That hit me hard. Here's how I fixed it. Set your phone to black and white mode. Meditate for 5 minutes daily to stay present. Actionable step. Go hug your mom or someone you care about. Tell them you love them. It's awkward, but it'll make their week. Habit number 5, skipping self-care. No excuses here. If you don't have a self-care routine, start one now. Skin, hygiene, fitness, it all matters. If you're lost, I've got a ton of videos on my channel, breaking it down step by step. Go check them out after this video. Habit number 6, bad sleep hygiene. If you ignore everything else, focus on this: sleep 8 hours a night. It's the ultimate glow-up hack. Here's how I fixed my dark circles. Go to bed and wake up at the same time daily. Keep your room cold and dark. Avoid screens 1 hour before bed. Read a book until you doze off. Try it for a week and you'll be shocked at the difference. Habit number 7, living with high stress. Stress is the silent killer. It ruins your skin, your mood, and your habits. To fight it, I use this quick breathing exercise. Inhale deeply and pause. Take another small inhale at the top. Exhale slowly. Try it right now. Feels good, right? That's it. No magic, no shortcuts, just real changes that work. Now it's your turn. Pick one habit to tackle today and watch how your life transforms. If this helped you, share your progress in the comments. Let's glow up together.